Hey guys, Jack here, and today we're going to be going over how you can upload to Merch by Amazon, and I want to show you guys how you can do it as a beginner, and tell you all the things you need to know when you're uploading to Merch by Amazon for the first time. So when you first get accepted into Merch by Amazon, you might be a bit confused on what the tiers are and how much you can post every day. So pretty much you start off in tier 10, which means you can post a total of 10 designs, well really 10 products, because each product counts as one of your slots. And I'll explain more of that later, but you can do, for the tier 10, you can do one upload a day, meaning you can only upload one product / design every single day until you hit 10, and then you're maxed out. And if you want to upload more from there, you have to delete the old ones and upload new ones. So before you create your first product, you want to make sure that your design is scaled for Merch by Amazon. So when I say scaled for Merch by Amazon, what I mean is that your design should be 4500 by 5400 pixels wide for most of the standard products like t-shirts and sweaters, not including the hoodies. However, we can get to that later. But you want to make sure your design is 4500 by 5400, and when you're doing this and resizing your image, you want to place the image on the upper portion, and I'll show you guys me resizing on Place It right now. So I just put this design together real quick, but pretty much on Place It, when you download a design, basically it doesn't put it in the right format. Pretty much every single time it's not the right pixels for Merch by Amazon. So every time I create a design, I make sure it's optimized for Merch by Amazon first, so I won't have any trouble later on. So what you want to do on Place It, if you don't have Place It, you can use whatever to resize your images. However, I designed it on Place It, so it's already here. So I click this little down arrow, and then I click crop and resize. So then you're going to be on this screen. And the great thing about Place It is you can type in your dimensions, 4500 by 5400, and then you can scale your design until it fits the whole space. That's what I like to do. And I do have some white parts up here that you might not be able to see, so I'm just going to be careful of that. I'm going to put it right there in the middle, and then I'm good to go. I can click download, and you have your image resized, ready for Merch by Amazon. Alright, so next, now we're going to go ahead and create our product. So go over to the top here and click create. Alright, so this is where it gets a bit confusing, because basically you have one slot every day in the first tier of Amazon, and by default it's selecting you 5 different products technically, because each marketplace counts as an upload slot, and each item that you put your design on counts as an upload slot. So for your first designs, you're going to want to probably put them on standard t-shirts in the .com marketplace, because that's really where the most sales are, the most customers, and that's where you're going to be able to get out of tier 10. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to select the standard t-shirt to start, and because we can only upload once per day, if we want to use these other designs or marketplaces, you're gonna have to go back the following day and enable them, and then resave your design. So once you have the marketplace and design that you want, click continue, and then you're gonna see this is enabled, which is the one we want, and we're gonna upload our artwork. We're just gonna upload this design I made earlier that's a white text rather than the one we just resized, because this one's cool. And once that uploads, it does take a while. You're going to see it on the shirt, and then you're going to click here, edit details, and you're going to be able to pick your color and your price. So obviously you can pick whatever colors you want, but since this is kind of Christmassy, I'm going to just pick Christmas colors. Obviously I'm not going to actually post it, I'm just giving you guys an example, and you can only post or click up to 10 different colors, so keep that in mind. If you click more than 10, it's not going to let you publish, it's going to give you an error. And you can post your royalty at whatever you want. However, if you're just starting out, I recommend posting it really low, even for no profit, just to try to get out of the tiers, and then you can upload more designs and you can have more chances to make sales. Or if you don't want to do that, I just do $13.99, and that's still low price. People are going to be attracted to that. But if you post it for no profit, then your designs will come up first in the low to high search, so that is a very good way to get your design seen. Another thing to note is that if you have black selected in these colors, it will always appear on black. On other different print-on-demand platforms, you can change which one you want. However, black takes priority, and then next to black, I believe it's white. So if you want just one color for it to be shown on, usually it's pretty random. if you don't, except for black. So you want to just pick that single color. If you're trying to, get some eyeballs over to your design, maybe you have like a pumpkin design, you want an orange background, something like that, but black takes priority. So that is something to note. So after you've done that, you want to scroll down here to product details. And today I'm not going to go over every single thing you need to know about a product detail. Because our design's not really in a specific niche, it's hard to tell you guys and give you guys a good example. However, I'm going to make a separate video on that tomorrow. So if you guys want to check that out, I will link it down in the description when I post it. And it's going to be more helpful for this section. However, I'm just going to go over what you guys need to know to get started and just to post your first listing on Merch by Amazon. So as an example, I filled out these fields, and pretty much your title, you just want to try ranking for keywords that are related to the design. So something people would search to find this design, I just put winter snow wonderland fun gift. Gift is a good word to add because people always look for gifts for people. So that's always something, if you can fit it, it's great. Obviously I'd be more descriptive, but this design, it's not really a niche, so it's kind of hard. However, when you're doing this, your title, I pretty much usually just copy and paste the title into the brand and change out a keyword or two, and then I usually add tees, gift, apparel, something like that to finish it off. And then for the bullets, I just write something that makes sense and has some of the same keywords in my title and brand in this bullet. So grab this awesome winter snow wonderland design for the perfect gift idea, and then feature bullet 2, have a blast this winter with some awesome snow inspired apparel for the entire family. Great Christmas or winter birthday gift. So all those things that I'm saying, I'm enunciating, those are things that are keywords. And then after that, what you can do, because the description doesn't really seem to matter, is what you want to do is you want to copy these bullets and you want to paste them in here. So you can Control A, Control C, then just Control V them in, and there you have it. Now you have a listing ready to go, and you can go down here and you should be able to publish it as long as you have one upload slot for the day available. However, you can also save it as a draft and publish it the next day when you actually have a slot. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like, it means a lot, and subscribe if you guys want to see tomorrow's video. I'll also post it down in the description, but tomorrow's video is going to be more in depth on writing product details and actually ranking for keywords and how you can search for keywords in competition and compare how your listing is going to rank. So if you guys want to know more about that, subscribe, stay tuned. That'll be a video coming out tomorrow, or check this video in the description for the link to that video. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day.